In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add funds to your card. Whether you're gearing up for a shopping spree or just need to top up for regular expenses, this easy step-by-step guide will ensure you know exactly how to manage this seamlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the card page on your app or website of choice. This is your starting point, and you'll usually find this easily within the financial or account settings sections. Once you're there, look for the option that says Add Funds. It's often prominently displayed to make the process as straightforward as possible. Now that you've reached the Add Funds section, the next step is to choose your preferred method for topping up. Here you have a couple of options. You can either opt for cryptocurrency, which is a great choice if you're looking to use digital currencies conveniently. This method offers privacy and often quicker transactions. Alternatively, if you prefer a more traditional route, you can use your credit or debit card. In this digital age, it's all about what suits your needs best. So take a moment to consider which of these aligns with your financial habits and comfort level. Once you've made your choice, it's time to decide on the amount you wish to top up. Enter this amount in Singapore dollars. It's crucial to double check the sum you've entered to avoid any transaction issues. If you're aiming to make a substantial purchase, make sure the amount covers it. On the other hand, you won't want to overfill if you'll only be making a small transaction. Having input your desired top-up amount, it's now time to confirm the transaction. Here's a critical detail to remember. The exchange rate, especially in the case of cryptocurrency, will be held for only 15 seconds. What does this mean for you? Essentially, this is your window to lock in the rate and ensure the transaction goes through without any unexpected fluctuations. Timing is key. A swift confirmation helps you avoid any potential changes in rates, ensuring you get the value you expect. In wrapping up these steps, make sure you review each detail and confirm everything looks as it should before you hit confirm. This is an important habit to develop to avoid any simple errors or inconsistencies in your transactions. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently add funds to your card whenever necessary. The process is streamlined and designed to be as user-friendly as possible, ensuring you're always prepared, whatever your financial needs may be. Remember, each step is akin to building a secure financial foundation, enabling you to transact with ease and peace of mind. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, take care and happy funding.